this is Bhaskar. Today we are going to discuss about automotive diesel engine multi-choice question MCQ. The first question is the main function of the brake fluid is. The options are lubrication, power transmission, cooling, and none of these. The correct answer is answer B, power transmission. Second question, which part of the automobile tire is subjected to greatest flexible action? The options are bead, sidewall, shoulder, and tread. The answer is B, sidewall. The compression ratio for diesel engines usually lies in the range of compression ratio R value 6 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 25, and 25 to 40. The correct answer is C. The compression ratio for the diesel engine is 15 to 25. Because of the compression ratio only, the diesel engine size are very huge as compared to the petrol engine. The piston compression rings are made up of, there are four materials given: cast iron, steel, aluminum, and bronze. The correct answer is cast iron. In a forced feed lubrication system, the device used to guard against excessive oil pressure is called as release chamber, balancer, relief valve, and stop valve. The correct answer is relief valve. C. The air-fuel ratio of the petrol engine is controlled by fuel pump, governor, injector, and carburetor. The correct answer is D, carburetor. Fuel consumption of diesel engine is not guaranteed at 1/4 load because at such low loads. The options are the friction is high, second one is a friction is unpredictable, third one is a small difference in cooling water temperature, or internal friction has disproportionate effect, and the last one, the engine is rarely operated. The correct answer is C. Next question. The theoretically corrected air fuel ratio for petrol engine is of the order of 6 is to 1, 9 is to 0, 1, 12 is to 0, 1, and the last one is a 15 is to 0, 1. The correct answer is D, 15 is to 0, 1. The diesel engine can work on very lean air fuel ratio of the order of 30 is to 1. A petrol engine can also work on such a lean ratio provided first option is it is properly designed, best quality fuel is used, cannot work at it is impossible. And the last one, flywheel size is proper. The correct answer is C, cannot work as it is impossible. A stoichiometric air fuel ratio is chemically correct mixture, lean mixture, rich mixture for idling, rich mixture for overload. The correct answer is A, chemically correct mixture. The boiling point of diesel fuel in the range of 70 degree to 100 degree, 100 degree to 120 degree, 120 degree to 180 degree, and 180 degree to 360 degree. The correct answer is D, 180 to 360 degree. The piston compression rings are made up of, there are four material given. One is a cast iron, steel, aluminum, and bronze. The correct answer is A, cast iron. Caster is a forward tilt of the kingpin, backward tilt of the kingpin, either A or B, none of these. The correct answer is C, either A or B. A front stabilizer bar is used to increase vehicle load carrying capacity, provide a softer ride, control suspension movement and body roll, all of the above. The correct answer is C. Control, suspension, movement and body roll. The timing belt is attached to the camshaft pulley and the timing belt drive pulley, distributor, radiator fan pulley and alternator pulley. The correct answer is A. Timing belt drive pulley. Dieseling may take place due to engine idling speed set to high, increase in compression ratio due to carbon deposit, inadequate or low octane rating, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. Dieseling may take place due to engine overheating, too high spark plug heat range, incorrect adjustment of ideal air fuel mixture, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D. Dieseling may take place due to sticking of throttle, requirement of tune-up of engine and oil entry into the cylinder. None of the mentioned, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D. All of them mentioned. The solenoid valve operated idling circuit reduces engine performance, hydrocarbon emission, CO emission, none of the mentioned. The correct answer is B. Hydrocarbon emissions. In order to accelerate the vehicle and consequently its engine, the mixture required is very either rich, lean, thin, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is rich. The main function of the resonator is that it regulates the intake airflow rate, reduces the intake air noise, enhances intake efficiency, and regulates the intake air temperature. The correct answer is B. Reduce the intake air noise. The main function of intake manifold is that is promotes the mixture of air and fuel, reduces intake noise, cools the intake air to suitable temperature, distributes intake air equally to the cylinder. The correct answer is D. Distributes intake air equally to the cylinder. The valve tapered clearance is measured by screw pitch gauge, engineering scale, feeler gauge, and vernier caliper. The answer is C. Feeler gauge. The function of a governor in automobiles is to limit the power, limit the vehicle speed, maintain constant engine speed, and the last one is a maximum the fuel economy. The correct answer is B. Limit the vehicle speed. The firing order of an inline four-cylinder IC engine. There are four order given 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, and the last one 1, 3, 2, 4. The correct answer is B 1, 3, 4, 2. Based on the firing order, the combustion take place in the cylinder. The main metering system of the carburetor consists of the fuel metering orifice through which fuel is drawn from the float chamber, the main discharge, the passage leading to the idling system, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D, all of the mentioned. The function of the main metering system are to proportion the air fuel mixture, to decrease the pressure at the discharge nozzle exit, to limit the airflow at full throttle, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D, all of the mentioned. The throttle regulates the output of the engine by dash the quantity of the charges going to into the cylinder. The correct answer, there are four options is given. One is a constant, regulating, varying, increasing, and the last one is a none of the mentioned. The correct answer is B, varying. On city roads, one may be able to operate the vehicle between dash of the throttle only. There are four options. One is a 30 to 70 percentage, 40 to 80 percentage, 25 to 60 percentage, and the last one 25 to 50 percentage. The correct answer is C, 25 to 60 percentage. The principle of compensating jet device is to make the mixture linear, equal, richer, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is A, linear. The main function of the brake fluid is lubrication, power transmission, cooling, none of these. Answer is B, power transmission. Actually, the question number is not a 1, it is a 31 by printing mistake. Sorry. Next, 32 question. Venturi tube is also called as choke tube, throat, nozzle, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is B, throat. So, Venturi tube is also called as a throat. 33rd question. The pressure difference between the flow chamber and the throat of the Venturi is called as carburetor expansion, carburetor acceleration, carburetor depression, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is C, carburetor depression. The choke is in an automobile mean is for supplying lean mixture, rich mixture, stoichiometric mixture, and weak mixture. The correct answer is B, rich mixture. Modern carburetors provides the correct quality of air-fuel mixture during starting, idling, crushing, and all of the mentioned. The correct answer is D, all of the mentioned. So it is suitable for all load conditions. A battery can be charged by adding distilled water, adding sulfuric acid, applying voltage in the reverse direction to that of charging, applying a voltage in the same direction to that of charging. The correct answer is C, applying voltage in the reverse direction to that of charging. The best fuels for compression ignition engines are straight chain paraffin, Armotrix, branched chain paraffin, naphthalene. The correct answer is D, naphthalene. An oil filter bypass valve opens when the engine is cold. Engine overheats. Oil filter becomes clogged. Engine runs at high speed. The correct answer is C. Oil filter becomes clogged. Damper is also called as shock absorber, torsion bar, spring, and radius rod. The correct answer is A. Shock absorber. The most accurate ignition system of a spark ignition engine is magneto system, battery system, electronic control unit system, and magneto and electronic system. The correct answer is C, electronics control unit system. The aspect ratio expressed in terms of percentage of the tire is defined as the ratio of section width to section height to section width, wheel diameter to section height, wheel diameter to section width. The correct answer is B, section height to section width. The purpose of turning radius gauges is to measure the contact areas of the tires, free play of the steering wheel, turning radius of the left and right wheel, difference in the toe angle of the left and right wheels. The correct answer is C, turning radius of the left and right wheel. The natural gas is compressed in a CNG cylinder at a pressure of 200 bar, 220 bar, 250 bar, and 300 bar. The correct answer is A, 200 bar. The valve overlap in 4-stroke petrol engine is approximately 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. The correct answer is A, 30 degree. The service brakes employed in cars are generally operated mechanically, hydraulically, pneumatically, and none of these. The correct answer is B, hydraulically. For idling condition in automotive engines, the air-fuel mixture must be lean, rich, chemically balanced, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is B, rich. For crushing condition in automotive engines, the air-fuel mixtures must be lean, rich, chemically balanced, none of the mentioned. The correct answer is A, lean. For high power condition in automotive engines, the air-fuel mixture must be lean, rich, chemically balanced, none of the mentioned. The correct answer is B, rich. To prevent overheating of exhaust valve and the area near it, the air-fuel mixture must be lean, rich, chemically balanced, and none of the mentioned. Correct answer is B, rich. And the last question, 15th question. In an automobile engine, indication of knocking is available in the form of light, gas, audible sound, and none of the mentioned. The correct answer is C, audible sound. Thank you.